Introduction to Multi-File Search and Replace.
Searching and replacing code across multiple files is a powerful way to speed up refactoring and fix widespread issues. Instead of manually updating each file, you can make changes project-wide in just a few steps. Let's explore effective techniques using popular code editors so you can save time and reduce mistakes.
Why use multi-file search and replace?
Multi-file search and replace streamlines large edits like renaming variables, updating functions, or fixing typos. It helps ensure consistency across your project and reduces the chance of errors from missed changes. This is especially useful during refactoring, code reviews, or when following new naming conventions.
How to search and replace in Visual Studio Code.
In Visual Studio Code, press Ctrl+Shift+F to open the search panel. Enter the target text, review the results, and click the arrow to expand the Replace field. Type your replacement, then use Replace All to update every instance across your workspace. Always review matches before replacing to avoid unintended changes.
Techniques in Sublime Text and Atom editors.
In Sublime Text, use Ctrl+Shift+F to search across folders. Enter your search and replace text, then preview results before replacing. In Atom, press Ctrl+Shift+F, fill in search and replace fields, and choose which files to modify. Both editors support regular expressions for advanced pattern matching.
Command line power. Grep, sed, and find.
For those comfortable with the terminal, tools like grep, sed, and find offer powerful ways to search and replace text. For example, you can use find to locate files, grep to search within them, and sed to replace text automatically. This is especially useful for large projects or integrating changes into scripts.
Precautions and best practices.
Back up your code before running a mass replace and always review suggested changes. Use features like regular expressions with caution to avoid accidental edits. Test your project thoroughly after making bulk replacements to ensure everything works as intended. Adopting these habits will help you refactor confidently and efficiently.